Today, let's have a reading practice using phonics. Are you ready? Let's begin. This is an airplane. Airplane starts with the letter A. Airplane. Let's say it again. This is an airplane. This is a boy. Boy starts with the letter B. Boy. Let's say it again. This is a boy. This is a car. Car starts with the letter C. Car. Let's say it again. This is a car. This is a duck. Duck starts with the letter D. Duck. Let's say it again. This is a duck. This is an eraser. Eraser starts with the letter E. Eraser. Let's say it again. This is an eraser. These are fruits. Fruits start with the letter F. Fruits. Let's say it again. These are fruits. This is a gift. A gift starts with the letter G. Gift. Let's say it again. This is a gift. This is a heart. Heart starts with a letter. H. Heart. Let's say it again. This is a heart. This is an ice. Ice starts with the letter I. Ice. Let's say it again. This is an ice. This is a jacket. Jacket starts with the letter J. Jacket. Let's say it again. This is a jacket. This is a kite. Kite starts with the letter K. Kite. Let's say it again. This is a kite. This is a leaf. Leaf starts with the letter L. Leaf. Let's say it again. This is a leaf. This is a moon. Moon starts with the letter N. Moon. Let's say it again. This is a moon. This is a nurse. Nurse start with the letter N. Nurse. Let's say it again. This is a nurse. This is an owl. Owl starts with the letter O. Owl. Let's say it again. This is an owl. This is a panda. Panda starts with the letter P. Panda. Let's say it again. This is a panda. This is a quill. Quill starts with the letter Q. Quill. Let's say it again. This is a quill. This is a ring. Ring starts with the letter R. Ring. Let's say it again. This is a ring. This is a star. Star starts with the letter S. Star. Let's say it again. This is a star. This is a tomato. Tomato starts with the letter T. Tomato. Let's say it again. This is a tomato. This is a uniform. Uniform starts with the letter U. Uniform. Let's say it again. This is a uniform. This is a vase. Vase start with the letter V. Vase. Let's say it again. This is a vase. This is a watch. Watch starts with the letter W. Watch. Let's say it again. This is a watch. This is a xylophone. Xylophone starts with the letter X. Xylophone. Let's say it again. This is a xylophone. This is a yak. Yak starts with the letter Y. Yak. Let's say it again. This is a yak. This is a zigzag. Zigzag starts with the letter Z. Zigzag. Let's say it again. This is a zigzag. Thanks for watching. Please like, share and subscribe to my YouTube channel.